Khanda, chapter 13, Deliverance of Jagai and Madai, text 68. We saw how text 72, we saw how Haridas is feeling very insignificant compared to Lord Nityananda Prabhu, and he's telling him, my dear Lord, please don't try to deceive me, because you are fully capable to deliver any soul you like. There is no need for you to request me anything. I am your servant. You are my master. Text 73. Hasi Nityananda Tane Dila Alingan Atyanta Komala Hai Balena Vachan. So Lord Nityananda Prabhu smiled very beautifully, and he embraced Haridas Thakur after hearing these deep, meaningful words from Haridas Thakur's lotus mouth. He embraced Haridas, and then becoming very soft-hearted, Atyanta Komal, become compassionate and very soft-hearted. He started speaking as follows. Text 74. प्रभु रजे आज्ञा लई आमार विडाय ताहा कही ए दुई मध्य पेर थाय. Said Haridas, now is the time that the order which Gauranga has given us, we should, which we have been carrying around to every home. Now this is the time to inform about that order to Jagai and Madhai. And we have to communicate that order to them and giving them the mercy to them. I mean, it's what a big contrast. Here Jagai and Madai, they were totally intoxicated by wine, and they were hardly having any kind of desire to hear about bhakti or the Lord. They were simply eager to only hear materialistic topics. There is a verse in the Bhagavatam which says that Vasudeve Katharuchi Syan Mahatsevaya Vipra Punyatirtha Nishevana. That ordinary people may not be able to develop Vasudeva Katharuchi, attraction to hear the Katha of the Lord, unless one has a lot of pious Syan Mahatsevaya Vipra, unless one has served great personalities in the previous lives, rendered Bhakti Yoga, one that does not develop the attachment to hear about Hari Katha, Gaura Katha, Vasudeva Katha. So, there are two kinds of devotees, Bhajananandi and Ghoshnanandi. And Bhajananandi devotees, they do not preach. They do not go out and preach to those who don't want to hear. They just do their bhajan. If somebody wants to come, they speak sometimes about the glories of the Lord. But Ghoshnanandis, they go out and they even try to spread the Katha, Gaura Krishna's Katha, to every soul, even if those souls who are not interested to hear, they somehow try to intelligently present to them, and in a logical, scientific way, in a palatable way, so that they will also develop attraction. It's just like having a jaundice, a disease of jaundice, and one takes sugarcane juice. One does not to the decay of the liver. One does not want to, because sugarcane juice also tastes bitter. But somehow we have to start taking it. Then gradually we will develop the taste. So Ghoshnaanandi Bhakta preacher, he tries to inject this katha, this nama into the general mass of the people, somehow or the other, by means which is possible, so that people gradually develop a taste. Because once even they don't take it, they never develop the taste. If one starts drinking the juice, then one will overcome the disease of the liver gradually. And the juice will become sweet. But if you don't taste it, then they will always remain diseased. So, also sometimes people very difficult for them to assimilate the highly spiritual topics of Bhagavad pastimes. So in the beginning one should go to everyone and request them to chant the holy names, describe to them the glories of mantra meditation, the holy names Nityananda Gauranga, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is the prachar is very important in the beginning. That will soften the heart of many people qualified to hear katha, topics about the Lord. In fact, they will incorporate automatically when we chant. So, Nityananda Prabhu also was desiring to inform them about the order of the Lord. Not preach to them, give a lecture, but just inform them Bhaja Krishna, Bala Krishna, Kara Krishna Shiksha, the order of the Lord, to take His holy names and worship Him in simple terms. Text 75. Savar bhajite Krishna Prabhu Radesh Tara madhya atishay papira vishesh. So Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu has given Adesh, order to every soul, that we have to communicate to every soul to worship Him and chant His holy names, to take Krishna's holy names, to take His own holy names. That is the Lord's desire as Adesh. So Nityananda Prabhu says that this order we should specifically communicate to those who are most fallen. Vishesh. Tara madhya atishay papir. Vishesh. Like Srila Prabhupada used to very nicely say that there is no difference between a rich and poor in Gauranga Krishna consciousness, because the rich also is spiritually bankrupt and the poor also is spiritually bankrupt. Both are acting on the platform of the body and they are not thinking about the soul. So everyone is equal in the eyes of a devotee. Right? Not that he gives more preference to rich and less preference to poor, or more preference to poor and less preference to rich. No. Actually, sometimes, like Nityananda Prabhu says, sometimes those who are more fallen, they need it much more, this instruction. Sometimes the rich are more separated from the Lord due to engaging in grossly material activities, then they need the message more. Sometimes the poor are more degraded, and they also need the message more. So external status has nothing to do with nama prachar, the spreading of the holy names. It is how much one is eager to receive it and how much one actually needs it. Tara madhya atishay papila vishesh. So we should specifically communicate to get them Haridas. Text 76. Bali bara bhara matro amadonakar Bali lena laye jabe shei bharatar. All the essence of preaching is actually coming in Nityananda Prabhu's word. That's why Chaitanya Bhagavat actually is a very, very important book for all beginners, because all the philosophy is presented in the form of pastimes. It's like a doctor gives a medicine covered by a capsule. Similarly, it's presented in the form of pastimes, all the philosophical truths. So Nityananda Prabhu is saying that Savara bhajite Krishna, Balibara bharama. We have taken the order of Gauranga as instructed us, and we have come to communicate the order. So our duty is to communicate the order to them. Whether they accept it or not, it's up to them. Balile nalai javeshai bharata. That is their responsibility, whether they want to achieve the most degraded destination in the next life by continuing with their sinful activities. That is up to them. But it is our duty to try to save them, because at least put their message in their ears, put the holy name into their ears. Then it's up to them whether they want to accept it or not. Like you can take the horse to drink, but to near a pond, but then you can't force it to drink. Even if you push the head into the water, still the horse has to drink on his own, on the own. Nobody can push the water into the mouth. Similarly, even the Guru or even the Vaishnavas, they can give all the relevant instructions, help the disciple, help the devotee step by step as much as possible, but ultimately it is up to the individual practitioner. One should be very serious and take up that order coming down from the disciplic succession seriously. Example is given of a pilot. A pilot is learning in an academy, Air Force. He gets training from all senior pilots and senior officers. They train him very nicely. They even take him to the right till the aeroplane, and they give him all the instructions how to fly. What are the different precautions to be taken, what are the commands to be given. But when the pilot sits in the aeroplane and takes up in the air, then the pilot has to remember those instructions, remember the guidance, but ultimately he has to fly himself. Precautions. It's totally up to him. If he does something wrong, so unless individually a devotee or soul has a sincerity, genuine desire, no one can help. Even the Supreme Lord will come himself, but if somebody doesn't want to take up bhakti, then the Lord will not interfere with the independence. The Lord does not interfere with the independence. The pure devotee also doesn't interfere with the independence of the individual soul. So bhakti is a spontaneous, voluntary, step-by-step process. Every step, voluntary step on the part of the devotee. No stage is forced by anyone. So, if the will of the Lord is there, then the audience does not listen to the humble presentation and thus invites inauspicious on themselves, then Mahaprabhu, the order giver, then he will handle them. We are just order carriers. If they don't implement the order, then it is between them and Mahaprabhu, Gauranga Mahaprabhu. But it's our duty. They should not say that we have not given them the order, we have not informed them the order. That is why actually it is required in this world that we should make mass propaganda about Gauranga and Nityananda Prabhu in this world, their order, their holy names, their teachings about Hare Krishna Mahamantra. We should at least inform the world, even very few may accept, but we should at least should come out in the open that these are the merciful incarnations of Krishna Balaram in Kali Yuga. And then it's up to the world whether they take it or not. But at least we have done our duty that even if they hear once this name of Nityananda Gauranga and Hare Krishna, they will forever be benefited. So text 77. बलिते प्रभुर आज्ञा शेदुएर स्थाने नित्यानंद हरिदास करीला गमने. So then to pass on the order of Gauranga, communicate the desire of Gauranga to those two, Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur gradually began walking towards Jagai and Madai. They were walking towards them. When people saw them, they were walking towards Jagai and Madai, a danger zone, Nobody used to approach from a danger area. And now then what happened? Text 78. साधु लोके मना करे निकटे न जाओ नागाल पाइले पाचे प्राण हराओ. So all the saintly people who were seeing this, don't, please don't go near to Jagai and Madai. Nagala Paile, if they catch you by the throat or if they get hold of you, then you are sure to be killed. Don't go near them. Once you are caught, nobody will be able to do anything. You 100% paran harao, you will lose your life. Of course, they do not know who is Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur. So, because what happens is when those who are not qualified, who are against Bhakti Yoga, when we go and preach to them, then they turn against. There is a chance of venomous reaction. That is why it's better it's said that one has to only give good instructions to those who are ready to accept. Otherwise it ends up committing offense. So only Nityananda Prabhu can take this liberty, the Supreme Lord, to really go to Jagai and Madai. Nobody should imitate. So there are so many attacks when one preaches. So, but one has to be unperturbed. One has to spread the order of the Lord. Text 79. Amar antare thaki paran tarase tomar nikate jao ke man sahase. O Nitai and O Haridas, we hide inside the house and tremble just at the thought of Jagai and Madai. We tremble, we shake up. We can't even go out of the house if they are somewhere near. And how can you dare to approach them like this? Do you value your life? How come you have developed so much courage? Kemana sahase? You are approaching these two sinners. Text 80. कि शेर सन्यासी ज्ञानो दुए रठाय ब्रह्म वदे को वदे जहर अंत नाय. These two have no respect for sannyasis, or they have no respect for devotees. They have already murdered unlimited number of brahmanas and unlimited number of cows. Brahmana vade, go vade, jahar ant naay. Nobody can count how many cows they have murdered, Govadha and Brahmavadha, how many Brahmanas they have killed. The most heinous activities. Go Brahmana Hitayacha. Because Krishna is, cows and Brahmanas are very dear to him. So, killing cows and Brahmanas is heinous kind of sinful activity. You are traveling everywhere in all the world for the benefit of the world, but these two are simply will not be able to take benefit of your instructions. Please, please, don't go to them. Please go to somewhere else where people will be able to appreciate. Text 81. तथापि दुई जन कृष्ण कृष्ण बोली निकटे चलीला दोने महाकुतूहली. Both of them, Nityananda and Haridas, they were remembering Gauranga and they were chanting Krishna, 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 and chanting the name of Krishna, which makes one fearless. Jahure mana, Shri Nanda Nandana. That Nitatapya Duijana, Krishna, Krishna Boli. They fearlessly they said Krishna, Krishna, and Nikate Chalila Done Mahakutuhali. And very kutuhali. Kutuhali means very eager, eagerly, and very, astonishingly. They were just wanting to know what will happen, and blissfully they came close to Jagai and Madai. This is the advantage of Bhakti Yoga. It makes one fearless. Especially when one is carrying out the direct order of the Lord. Of course, Nityananda Prabhu is the master of the whole creation, whom he has to fear. So they went towards both of them in great eagerness. Text 82. Both Haridas and Nityananda understood that Krishna's name is not different than Krishna. Jai Naam Shai Krishna Bhajanishtha Kori. So they, by chanting Krishna's name, they invoked the Lord there and they went forward. Text 82. Shuni bare pae hena nikat thakiya kahe na prabhura agya dakiya dakiya. So they came very close enough to be heard in the earshot, what they call that, within earshot. They came to that distance from Jagai and Madai, and to be heard, so that they could be heard, and loudly repeated. Dakiya, Dakiya, loudly they informed Jagai and Madai about the supreme eternal order of Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Bala Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Laha Krishna Naam, Krishna Mata, Krishna Pita, Krishna Dhana Pran. Very beautiful expression. Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas both are singing together. Bala Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Laha Krishna Naam, Krishna Mata, Krishna Pita, Krishna Dhana Pran. Krishna is your mother, Krishna is your father, and Krishna is your life and soul. My dear Jagai and Madai, please speak the name of Krishna, worship Krishna, and take the name of Krishna. Laha Krishna Naam. Very beautiful instructions. One can imagine the most sinful and the most biggest of atheists, their hearts will melt by hearing these instructions from Nityananda Prabhu directly from his lotus mouth, and Haridas Thakur. But we will see that Jagai and Madai were much more sinful than the most sinful. So they became angry. Text 84.